What's up, guys? I'm Mike, the Everyday Money Guy. I'd like for you to subscribe to my channel if you want to make money easy. Now guys, when I say we're going to make money easy, I'm not going to try to sell you some sort of scammy program or multi-level marketing company or something like that. What I mean by make money easy is that we're going to take the mystery and the fear out of investing your money. I'm coming to you from my garage today instead of some upscale apartment or estate to show you how money is a tool, and in the right hands with the right skills can be your ticket to freedom to do whatever you want for the rest of your life. Guys, like any other tool that you may have, they can either help you or they can hurt you. A tool like this could either build your house or it can cut your hand off. This one might put your pipes together or it could burn your house down. The same thing is true for money. If you have the skills, the knowledge, and ability, and you have the effort and know that what time it's going to take to build something great, this can be one of the most powerful tools that you will ever have. It can let you live a life, the life that you want, and maybe even a life that you can only imagine. If you can take this and you can invest it and hang on to a few of these, not spend it, and let the investments compound over time, this $100 bill or $1 bill or $20 bill, however much that you have, turns into a tool that works for you, or you could even think of it as a worker that works for you. The reason is that over time, if you invest this in appreciating assets, especially ones that compound, this turns into a money printing press. For example, if you would invest this $100 in the S&P 500 in like a market fund, and we'll get into what those are and how to invest in those in later videos, this can produce on average $9.90 every year. Now that may not seem like a lot, but if you start adding up a whole bunch of these, that $9.90 every year becomes a very large amount of money. And then the next year, it compounds on that. So, your $109.90 makes 9.9% on top of that. And it continues to do that as long as those monies are in that account. Eventually, that compounding interest and that money rolling over will outstrip your living expenses. You would be able to essentially live on only the interest that these things provide. And that's where it becomes a tool for your freedom. And that's why money is a tool to gain your freedom from your 9-to-5 job, from whatever it is you may have, and then it gives you the freedom to either pursue a passion project that you're interested in, a line of work that doesn't necessarily support the lifestyle that you want, or maybe you want to do volunteer work for whatever. If you want to be a volunteer at an animal shelter, if animals are your pets, this gives you the tools for the freedom to not have to be a slave to a 9-to-5 job. Guys, even if you don't want to quit the rat race and quit your 9-to-5 or whatever, having and growing your own money through investing gives you the freedom to do a lot of other things, like just whatever you want. Take a trip, the vacations that you want, buy vehicles in cash, buy toys, ATVs, boats, campers, second homes, whatever, in cash. It gives you the freedom to do those things. And that's the entire idea of my whole channel is that investing and using your money to grow your own wealth gives you a freedom that really is absolute. Not only that, it will also get you freedom from taxes, because investment income is taxed at a much, much lower rate than ordinary income. And we'll get into all of that on this channel. So guys, let's put these tools to work. Let's turn this $100 bill into a money printing press. Subscribe to this channel and let's build our wealth together.